Okay sir, sagutin natin yung tinatanong mo kung saan clone yung mga fragrances natin. Umpisahan natin dito sa very underrated scent natin. Itong Connoisseur. This is a clone of the Gucci Guilty Men. Very sophisticated na lalaki. Mabait. Around 25 to 35 ang edad. Yan, ito bagay na bagay ito. Gucci Guilty Men. And then, one of my favorite scents sa Father and Son, the Obsession. Pang-diinan to guys, pang-diinan, okay? This is the clone of Tom Ford fucking Fabulous Obsession. Mabilisan lang to guys ha. And then this one is the Intense, best for date night scent. This is the Intense guys, clone of the Versace Eros. This is one also of our best selling fragrance. And then kung gusto mo naman na medyo alam mo yun, lalaking lalaki at sobrang solid, manly ang dating at maka-attract ng women, this is the Sparrow. Bakit Sparrow? Jack Sparrow, man. This is the Dior Sauvage. Clone of Dior Sauvage, man. Dior Sauvage, okay? And then, last but not the least, our best-selling fragrance here sa Father and Son. Very fresh. And the clone of this fragrance is 19,000 lang naman. 19,000 lang naman, sir. So, this is the Debonair, sir. Ang clone nito, sir, is the Creed Aventus, okay? At ako nga pala guys, may good news ako sa inyo. Maglalabas ako ng 100 ml na limited to 20 bottles nitong Creed Aventus natin, the Debonair na clone of Creed Aventus. Guys, maglalabas ako ng 20 bottles lang ha. Sa boting to. And then mga 10 pieces ng Sparrow, okay? 20 pieces na 100 ml ng Debonair and 10 pieces ng Sparrow na 100 ml. Okay guys? So, sir, yun po yung sagot ko sa tanong mo. So, check out ka na guys. Try mo na yung fragrances natin. Abangan nyo to guys. Sobrang solid. Sobrang solid. 35% na tayo guys. 35% na tayo. 35% na. Check out na kayo guys.